Zulay Milk Frother Complete Set. Handheld foam maker for lattes, whisk drink mixer for bulletproof coffee, mini blender perfect for cappuccino, Frappe, includes frother, stencils and frothing cup. Make rich, creamy froth in seconds. We coffee lovers are serious when it comes to our coffee. The Milk Boss Frother gives that professional finishing touch to your latte, cappuccino, macchiato or hot chocolate. Make delicious foamy creamer for your drinks at home with your own milk frother. The benefits of having your own electric drink whisk mixer are endless. You can make your own best latte, you know your tastes best. Matcha Whisking, KETO Coffee and More customers say our frother works better than a manual matcha whisk for making matcha tea and works far better than fork or whisk for keto bulletproof coffee. It works very well to mix nutritious protein powder drinks with no extra container, blender, or bottle shaker to wash. Aerate eggs with our mini mixer for the smoothest omelets and scrambled eggs you ever had. Give healthy shakes and smoothies a kick by adding whey powder or eggnog flavor and mixing. Proven and trusted quality. We use only premium materials. The construction will last, backed by our Zulay guarantee to not rust or break, ever. Our small and efficient frother works on all types of milk, half and half, creamer, soy, almond, cashew, hazelnut, whole milk, and other dairy such as butter or cream. Easy to clean and store. The durable, convenient metal stand gives easy access for foamy goodness in seconds. Clean up for this matcha whisk and frother is even faster. To clean, just put the whisk in hot running water and briefly turn it on. Instantly clean. When stored on counter or table, it sits nicely next other coffee accessories. Our powerful and durable handheld milk frother is powered by 2 AA batteries, not included, with a compact electric design that easily fits in a drawer. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.